Dear students, in this video we will discuss the answers of chemistry 2024 question paper, that is science paper 2. This paper consisted of two sections, in which section A was compulsory, and in this video I will discuss section A, which constitute total 40 marks. First question was MCQ. So first question is unsaturated hydrocarbons, they only undergo addition reactions, mainly because they have free valencies, and therefore addition reaction takes place in unsaturated hydrocarbons. So answer number A is correct. In second period, the maximum IP is that of noble gases, that is neon, and why? Because they have stable electronic configuration. So answer number D is correct, that is outermost shell is completely filled. Next is C part, that is the copper, zinc and tin are the metals alloyed to form bronze. Answer number C is correct. The metal hydroxide which react with both acids and alkalis to form salt and water is aluminium hydroxide, because it is amphoteric hydroxide, and rest all are basic hydroxides. So answer number C is correct. Reaction of an alcohol with carboxylic acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 is a characteristic reaction called as esterification reaction. So answer number B is correct. Conversion of ethanol to ethene by sulfuric acid concentrated, that acts as a dehydrating agent. So it is a dehydration reaction, that is answer number A is correct. Next is 8th is electron affinity is maximum in electron affinity of halogens is maximum. So answer number D is correct, that is bromine. The compound not present in Hall-Herold's process is sodium aluminate, that is answer number B is correct. In 10th, the ammonia is converts copper oxide to a reddish brown residue, that is copper, and that is because of its reducing property, because ammonia has hydrogen. So answer number C is correct. Rotten egg smelling gas is due to the liberation of H2S gas. So the answer number B is correct. Next is ammonia gas is collected by downward displacement of air. Why? Because it is lighter than air. So answer number C is correct. Question number 13. Which of the following will occupy 22.4 liters of gas at STP? So 32 gram, that constitute 1 mole of oxygen. So this will occupy 22.4 liters. So 1 is correct. 2 moles of hydrogen gas, no, this is wrong. 1 mole of hydrogen gas will occupy 22.4 liters. And Avogadro's number of molecules of ammonia, so that is also correct. So answer number B is correct, that is 1 and 3. In the molecule of water, oxygen atom has 2 lone pair of electrons. So answer number C is correct. A mineral from which metal can be extracted profitably is ore. So answer number B is correct for the 15th MCQ. So these are the answers I have written for all the MCQs. You can pause and check your answers. Next we come to the diagrammatic question. Question number 2. In this you have been given an electroplating diagram, and they have asked you why the plate cup is placed at cathode and during electroplating of an iron cup. Why? Because metal ions, that is nickel ions, they reduce to form nickel metal and get deposited at cathode. That's why the cup is placed at cathode, so that it can be electroplated with nickel. Name the ion that must be present in electrolyte, that is nickel ion. So you don't just write nickel ion, you have to either write the symbol form of nickel ion or write in words the nickel ion. State one condition necessary for ensure the deposits and firm smooth even coating. So that is current should be slow DC and it should be passed for a longer period of time. Reaction take place at cathode. So because deposition of nickel is taking place, so this will be the reaction at cathode. Ni2 positive plus 2 electron will give you nickel. And what will you observe at anode? Fifth answer is it will diminish in size. It will gradually reduce in size. Next is question number 2, second part, that is matching. So water is a covalent compound. A is 3. Alkali metal is lithium. Halogen is iodine. Calcium oxide is ionic compound, and weak acid is acetic acid. Again answers I have written. You can see from the complete the following sentences by choosing the correct options. So A part is the salt that can be prepared by direct combination is FeCl3. Metallic oxide that can be reduced by using common reducing agents is Fe2O3, because aluminium oxide is reduced electrolytically. The metal nitrate, which on thermal decomposition gives black residue, that is copper nitrate. It will give you copper oxide on decomposition. During electrolysis of copper sulfate, it will give you the color will not fade if you will use copper electrodes, because copper ions will not be used from the electrolyte, and if you will use platinum, it will gradually fade. The process of heating concentrated ore in limited supply of air, that is calcination. Next is give one word or give the suitable term. The group obtained by removing one hydrogen atom from the parent alkane is alkyl group. So your answer number 1 is alkyl group. Next is two metal plates through which current enters and leaves the electrolytic cell is called electrodes. The amount of substance which contains the same number of units as number of atoms in carbon 12, that is mole. The tendency of an atom to pull a shared electron pair towards itself in a compound is electronegativity, and the ratio, the formula which represents simple ratio between the atom of the elements present in the compound is called empirical formula. Then you have to give the IUPAC names of the compounds. So this compound is 2, numbering will be from left hand side, so 2,3-dichloropentane, because 5 carbon atoms are there, and here one you will number from right hand side 1, 2, 3, that is propanoic acid or 1-propanoic acid you can write. Next is you have to draw the structure. Okay, so the 3 structures that you have to draw is 3-methylpentane. So pentane means you have to draw the 5 carbon atoms, and 3-methylpentane, so at third carbon atom you will put a methyl group, and rest all you can balance it with hydrogen, H, H2 and H3. Next is propyne. So prop means 3 carbon atoms. Again you will draw 3 carbon atoms, and propyne means at 1 carbon atom you will put a triple bond, and next all the carbon atoms, then you will balance it with hydrogen. Next is methanol. Methanol means aldehyde group and 1 carbon atom. So 1 carbon atom with methanol, you make it aldehyde group, and only 1 valency is free, that you will put hydrogen. So HCHO, that is methanol. So this is the structure of methanol, propyne and 3-methylpentane. In the next video we will discuss section B. These are the answers that I have written. You can pause and check your answers.